Hello and welcome to the weather update. Before we look at those temperatures, was a dry day today. Some sun, but a lot of clouds. But I still managed to get outside. Yes, I went back to Twin Lakes, and it was a nice cool breeze there, and it was pretty much a high overcast, high to mid-level overcast that you see there, and then sunset was nice though. We had a mix of clouds there, some altocumulus. So that's some nice clouds there, and then it's the sunset pretty much. You can see some interesting darker clouds off to the north there. As the sun set, you can see a whole layer of darker clouds. But anyway, looking at the current satellite, you see plenty of clouds over our area. Looking at the radar, you can see some heavy rain, even some thunderstorms in western Pennsylvania. They've had some severe weather there as well. Let's look at our current temperatures now. So 50s are what we're dealing with generally. 50 at Islip, 50 at 48 at West Hampton. Jersey too, same thing, 49. You can see that east wind there. A little damp out there. Dew points in the 40s, so you don't have a big spread between the temperature and the dew point. Let's go look at our highs for the day and see that mostly we were in the mid 50s across Long Island. We're going to pull in a little more because I think it was warmer in my area. I'm pretty sure it was. Even to the Jersey Shore. Well, it looks like it got a little warmer there. Tom's River 62. Yeah, it definitely was warmer. Let's take a look and see. So, yeah, it got mid 60s over there. And in our area, let's see what we had here well, I see 59 being reported. Felt a little warmer than that in my area. I don't know. Felt, 62. So I think we got in the low 60s. So still a little bit below normal for the day. So below normal day with that east wind. So let's go look at the models. And we'll take a look and see that we got this low pressure system here. That's going to bring us our next chance of rain tomorrow. That moves on. We have a high that's going to nose down for Thursday. So that'll be a dry day with a little sunshine. And the rain moves back into the picture for Friday. We're going to be on the fringe of this system. We're going to have to watch this. We may be able to eke out a dry Saturday, at least on Long Island, with that rain being pushed to the south there. And then it finally gets pushed more to the south by Sunday. That's going to be an interesting setup. There's going to be a high that could block this system, and it's going to trap it in this area and then push it. That's an incredible amount of blocking there. And then push it westward. And remember, it's over some warm water, so this could gain some tropical characteristics. Don't be surprised. But that's way in the distance. Let's get to this first system that we got to deal with for tomorrow. And you will see here that we'll have this rain come in probably, looks like just before sunrise, right around sunrise. Some rain showers, possibly a thunderstorm. Remember what happened the last time. We could see that again. And then some lingering showers into the early part of the afternoon. And then as we get to the later part of the afternoon, it's still some spot showers into the evening. And then it finally should dry out by 8 o'clock. It might take a little while to dry out. But it'll just be scattered in nature, the rain tomorrow. And then we'll have a dry day on Thursday. Now, HRRR, let's see how much rain it winds up giving us. Not a whole lot. But again, as we learned before, any area a thunderstorm can develop could wind up bringing some rainfall, perhaps up to a half an inch. But right now it seems like it's not that impressive with the activity tomorrow. East winds, you see those east winds as we head into tomorrow, looking at the dew points here. But you'll see eventually you'll see some moisture. It looks like some really humid air. It tries to get into New Jersey, it could get a little warm and humid there, especially really south, southwestern parts of the state. This is the humidity here. But over Long Island, we're dealing with generally 50s. Kind of similar deal with that warm front getting stuck. And then northwest winds to north winds on Thursday. Why is that doing that? So north winds for Thursday. That means no sea breeze until later in the day. And then there'll be a sea breeze by the evening. That means it's going to be a mild day for a lot of people, a lot of us on Thursday. So looking at the actual temperatures here in the HRRR, you can clearly see where that warm front tries to make it through into Jersey, probably no further north than Ocean County. And then we see this cool front, and I use that word really slowly here, but you'll see we'll probably be reaching 70, so it'll be above normal. Highs around 70 for Thursday, but then you'll notice the sea breeze coming in later in the day and cooling off the South Shore, and then cooling off much of Long Island, maybe even parts of the Jersey Shore. So let's go look at the GFS. Brain kind of went to sleep for a moment there. So this is the GFS. You can see the same deal. Warm over Jersey, cooler on Long Island, and then for Thursday, a lot of us are going to be mild with no sea breeze. And then as we move into the weekend, we'll be cool with that east flow and that low going to the south of us. Saturday, it's showing some warmth. This can indicate the sun trying to come out perhaps on Saturday. Trying to hopefully salvage Saturday here, and we'll just have to deal with one rainy day on Friday. And then Sunday, you can see still cooler than normal with that northeast flow. And then we warm up a little more for Monday. So near average, I guess, I'd say. So let's go look at the skies. We'll just use the RGM for this, I think. All right. So, all right. Thursday looks like we'll have some sunshine, but tomorrow you can forget it. It will probably, the skies will probably start to clear around 8 o'clock or so. There's still some clouds lingering in. I think Thursday we'll have sun, but I think there'll still be some high clouds around, maybe some mid-level clouds. But it's the sunniest day of the week for sure, because once we get back to Friday, we're going to be in the clouds again. And you can see that high is trying to push down there. And we can look at the GFS too if we wanted to and see the effects of that as well. Trying to push in, maybe by Sunday we can push this junk to the south and actually have a sunny day. So that is going to wrap up this weather update. Take care and thank you for watching.